So we worked that equation. When we worked that last problem, that example, we used the formula for the slope, and we substituted the slope we were given, and we substituted one point that we were given into that formula, where we were able to find the equation for a line with the slope that was given that went through the point that was given. Now, the book has given us that formula, reworked this slope formula. Here's the slope formula. M equals y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1. We've been using y2 minus y sub 1 and x2 minus x sub 1, but we realized once we substitute in a value for this point 1, we're just going to leave it x and y. Let's solve this for y. We'd multiply both sides by x minus x sub 1. If we multiply this side by x minus x sub 1, and we multiply this side by x minus x sub 1, this is going to cancel out, and we're going to get x minus x sub 1 times m equals y minus y sub 1. We could rewrite this as m times x minus x sub 1 equals y minus y sub 1. And we can flip these around, the equal sign. This is the same as writing it like this, y minus y sub 1 equals m minus x, or times x minus x sub 1. This is called the point dash slope formula. And it's a formula that you'll probably want to remember, and it's the formula that is derived from the formula for the slope. And this is the formula that we're going to use to find the equation for a line. The point slope formula. So, example 2. We're given a point 1 minus 2, and we're given the slope of 3. We could rewrite this if we wanted 3 over 1, right? This is our x value, and this is our y value for this point. This is point 1, so this is x1, and this is y1. Point number 1. So we're going to use this formula and find the equation for a line that passes through this point and has this slope. So we just substitute y minus y sub 1. Well, y sub 1 is a minus 2. So it'd be minus 2 equals m times x minus x sub 1. X sub 1 is 1. We just substitute our values in our point for x sub 1 and y sub 1. Well, y minus a minus is a plus 2 equals m. We should substitute our m. Our m is 3. So we can put 3 here times x minus 1. Now we just solve this for y. Y plus 2 equals 3 times x times minus 1 times 3 is a minus 3. Everything inside the parentheses we multiply by what's outside. Now we want to get this y by itself, so we're going to subtract 2 here. We'll subtract 2 here. Whatever we do on one side of the equal sign, we do on the other. This becomes 0. We get y on this side equals 3x, and a minus 3 and a minus 2 is a minus 5. This is the equation. This is the equation of a line, of the line, there's only one, with a slope of 2, a slope of 3, that passes through the point 1 minus 2. Okay?